Youth identified as Sushant Naik was detained on Saturday by the Curchorem police for his alleged role in stealing ripper-bulldozer parked near Kashti Mines. The police has launched a manhunt for his accomplice.
Inspector Navhind of Curchorem Police Station told Goa 365 that the owner of the stolen bulldozer, Osco Afonso, had lodged a complaint about his missing bulldozer on the 5th of November. Following extensive investigation, sleuths traced parts of the bulldozer at a scrapyard in Margao with the vandalized vehicle parked a short distance away, concealed from public view. The bulldozer owner told Goa 365 that the vehicle was valued at about Rs 25 lakh and parts recovered by the police were estimated to be worth between 3 lakhs and 5 lakh. Most parts are yet to be recovered, he added.
एक डोजर आसलो बंद आशिल्लो म्हणला तुका तो तेणी कापून सारको आख्खो कापून त्या जाग्यावयलो नाच केलो तो डोजर पोस्टी मायनीर आसलो तो म्हणला तुका थंयच्यान तो बंद आशिल्लो इंजीन तेजे काडलें सीज जाल्लें आनी ते थिंगा तो एकलो लोकल एकठांय जावन आमच्या आनी कोण दुसऱ्या एकठांय जावन तो भितर आहा एकटो तो तेणे तो डोजर कापून सारको विकलो आख्खेंच कांयच थिंगा एविडेंस दवरुना आनी हे एविडेंस आमी करून मागीर पुलिसांक कंप्लेन दिवन आमकां साहेबान तें हें केलां ना हें खूब जालें चोरी आतां हें बंद करपाक कितें जाल्यार करपा जाय न्ही सारकें स्ट्रिक्ट हेचेर एक्शन घेवपा जाय ना जाल्यार हेचें चलतलें गोंयांत सामान मेळटा तें आमकां आतां 3 टन तें स्क्रॅपान मेळ्ळां 3 टनाचे 2,60,000 रुपया जातले.
Meanwhile, police said that the suspect was a Curchorem resident and expects his interrogation will lead to the arrest of his accomplices. Meanwhile, Curchorem police on Thursday night arrested a youth from Chimbel over a number of theft attempts and criminal cases which were reported against him. Police Inspector Ravindra Desai of Curchorem Police Station informed that the accused was allegedly attempting to gain entry into a grocery shop in Curchorem by removing roof tiles when he was caught by police who were on patrolling duty. Mr. Desai further said that during investigations they learned that the youth was involved in some criminal cases reported in Pancham and Mapsa and was released in a case some 20 days back. The alleged accused has been remanded to 10 days judicial custody.
शॉप आसा पळय ग्रोसरी शॉप आहा तेजेर वयर भितर शॉपाच्या वयर नळ्याचेर चडलो आनी ते नळे काडले तेन्ना आमच्या पुलिसांनी तांकां नोटीस केलो नायट रावंडा पुलीस आसले तेमी तेन्ना रॉबर्टाचे स्टाफ आनी आमचे कॉन्स्टेबल नायट रावंडाचे तेमी दोगांनी तांकां एप्रिहेंड केलो आनी तो पळोवन उडी मारून पळोवन वयतालो तेन्ना ताका धरलो आनी ताका चवकशी केला तेन्ना तो पयलीं म्हापसा आनी पणजी केसी इनवॉल्व आहा आनी रिसंटली 20 दिसां फाटीं तो सुटलेलो आहा जेलींतल्यान ते नंतर आतां आमी त्या शॉप ओनराची कंप्लेंट घेतली एटेम्प्ट टू कमीट थेफ्ट आनी त्या प्रमाणे ताका अरेस्ट केलो आनी तो आतां पुलीस कस्टडींत आसा.